So in this section, we're going to be covering some main topics that will be featured in all of the chapters from now, and that's energy, momentum, work, and so many more things. It could be just generalized as energy, but these are the couple things that make up most of this section. So what we're going to be doing is definitions of work, energy, momentum, and power, which are the four main concepts that we're going to be dealing with. So work, energy, momentum, power. The conservation of energy, and in particular we're looking at the conservation of mechanical energy for this one. Linear momentum, using the power equation that I believe we covered in chapter 4, forces and dynamics, or chapter 5 even, and how to deal with drag. So that one's going to be right at the end because it's a bit difficult. But the first thing we're going to be doing is physical work. So work is simply the product of force and displacement, written W equals F times S. Now, these are often generalized as scalars. It can be just distance, but it is actually force and displacement. Usually you can't really cross multiply vectors. Well, you can, but we haven't covered it up until this point. So it's often just force times distance in most normal cases. So energy is the ability to do work, though work itself is a different physical entity. So if you say push on a wall, for instance, the wall hasn't actually moved, so you would have done no work, but you are exerting energy because you are exerting a force on the wall trying to push it.